Hey guys, it's me Harshan. Welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today I will be showing you a easy recipe for mac and cheese. It is so delicious and so cheesy and creamy that you're going to love it in the first try. Without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients that you will require to make the mac and cheese are 2.5 cups of water, 1 cup of macaroni, 1/4 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of fresh cream, along with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, 1.5 cups of processed cheese. If you want, you can also use cheddar, Gruyere, Monterey, any cheese, along with 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt plus as per taste, black pepper 3/4 teaspoon, and half tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Our first step is to bring the water to a boil, and then we will add in 1 teaspoon of salt to it. After that, we will drop in the macaroni and then quickly give it a stir so that it does not stick to each other. Now we have to boil the macaroni in the water until it becomes al dente, and by al dente, which means it is 75% cooked. So while we are boiling the macaroni, we will keep stirring it in between so that it does not stick to the bottom of our pot. You will know the macaroni is done when you take out a few and then just take a spoon and try to break it. If it breaks easily or just a little bit effort is required, it means that your macaroni is completely ready for the sauce. Now you will turn off the flame and then drain the pasta into a colander or a big strainer. Now we will make our sauce for the mac and cheese. So we will start heating a pan on medium flame and add in our butter to it. And now we will melt our butter. Once our butter is completely melted, now we will add in our garlic to it. And stir it and cook for just a minute or until the butter becomes aromatic of the garlic flavor. Once that is done, now we will add in our all-purpose flour and then whisk it to make a roux. Once the flour is completely mixed in with the butter, we will cook it for about a minute or two or until the raw smell of the flour is gone. This still has a little bit of the raw smell, so I'll cook it for about a minute more. So now that the raw smell of the flour is gone, we will now slowly add in the milk and keep stirring. Now the mixture is going to become very thick, so keep whisking so that no lumps are formed. After all the lumps of the flour are gone, now we will add our Italian seasoning, black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Remember, the cheese already has some salt, so add it accordingly. Now we will mix it together and then bring it to a boil. Once the sauce starts boiling, now we will add in our cheese. and then mix everything. After a few minutes, you can see that the cheese is completely melted in it. So now we can switch from the whisk to a wooden spoon. We will lower the heat and then to this sauce we will add in our cream. And then mix it together. We add the cream for a little bit of creaminess in the sauce and the pasta. So now we will increase the flame, and then we will add in our strained macaroni to this. And now we will mix it so that the macaroni is properly coated with the sauce, and the little holes in the pasta will carry all the sauce in it. We have to keep the sauce more than the macaroni, because after we add the pasta to the sauce, it will grow in size as it will absorb the sauce a little bit, and then it will make the sauce and then the pasta will become dry if there isn't enough sauce. So that is the reason that the ratio of sauce to pasta is more. Now we will just let it cook for about 2 minutes or so, and then we will plate it. And that was my recipe for easy mac and cheese. If you liked it, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.